Hey, Scott from MyGrowthRings.com here once again is in the home of my future shop. And I'm here to announce that we surpassed 9,999 subscribers, which is super exciting. Who would have guessed? I know I would never have guessed, but we are now here and I want to celebrate that with you if you don't mind. One idea that I had was, hey, let's make a sticker. Yeah, I made a sticker that looks like one of the MyGrowthRings logos that I've used. If you notice, comments by channel members have this little logo next to their name, but I added to that an odometer clicking from 9,999 to wherever we're headed here. First thought about getting this into your hands was, well, I'll just have you send a self-addressed stamped envelope. And then I thought that's dumb because that would cost you 2 envelopes, or maybe they're envelopes, maybe one of each actually, and 2 stamps. How about this? You give me your name and address, and if you like, even your email address, and we'll cover the postage to get this to you. To collect those names, just click on the link in the description and add your name to that list. I may already have your name and address somewhere. Please help me to organize this list for my bride who will be shipping all of these out for me. I'm just returning from now my 3rd straight week away from home. I was in New York City 2 weeks in a row and just got back from lost wages. And I have to burden my bride with some of these things. And so if you would, follow the link, add that information, and we will get one of these out to you for free. Yeah, just for fun, I thought, well, that's not a big enough prize. Let's make a real prize here. So here's what I did. I just stopped by Subway and I picked up 10 $10 gift cards. We'll do a drawing next weekend and 10 people will receive a $10 gift card. This is my way of subbing you back. See what I did there? Now we'll put those names, everybody who submits their name on the list, we'll put them in to the official prize piñata. That's right, it's gotten biggie size. And next weekend we will draw from the piñata our 10 winners. And there's one last thing we have to do before we leave, and that is we got to really make this official and get the celebration going. That was better than last time. All right, I'll have another video here shortly within a day or two, and in the meantime, make it a great day.